So let's start with introduction. So our cafe, called the Mana Mana Cafe, is a trendy urban cafe that specializes in artisanal beverages and handcrafted desserts. We operate across 5 key locations in Klang Valley, which are Bangsar, Subang Jaya, Bukit Bintang, Sri Hartamas, and Mount Kiara. Our menu focuses on high-quality coffee and fusion pastries that are designed to appeal to busy professionals and students. Now let's move to the system-based analysis. So the first one is data input, the second one is data processing, and the third one is managerial dashboard, and the fourth one is strategic decision. For the first is data input. We use a primary data set containing more than 100 transaction records, which serves as a foundation for our analysis. This includes critical attributes such as date, branch, location, product, category, payment method, and revenue figures, and more. And the second point is processing. We use pivot tables as our primary processing engine. We perform complex calculations such as revenue per segment and branch performance without the risk of manual calculation errors to grouping and aggregate the raw data into dynamic pivot views. This allows us to instantly reshape the data to answer different business questions. And the third point is dashboard output. The pivot tables are linked to the pivot charts and the slicers that could create an interactive and responsive dashboard. This allows the management to filter performance metrics by product, branch, and month in real time. And the last point is strategic decision. This system ensures that management decisions are not based on guesswork, because the dashboard updates automatically whenever new data is added. Managers can confidently adjust their inventory, improve their marketing, and optimize their staff levels based on fact.
Hello, my name is Kelvina Peter with matrix number 109249, and today I'm going to present our sales trend. Our daily revenue is 4,313.95 cents. Matcha latte is our clear top performer with 290 units sold. Meanwhile, our chocolate hazelnut maintained a very steady and consistent baseline throughout. Tiramisu also stay low under 50 units. Meanwhile, our mocha also performed very well on a specific day, which is May 9, May 17, May 22, and May 27. On the other hand, cheesecake and ice cream waffle remain consistently low. There are also some interesting spikes. For instance, our Milo shake peaked at 145 units on 18 May. This is happen because customers prefer a sweet and coffee flavor item, and also at the same time we also need to deal with a tough competition with other products too. This also can bring some business implication, which is there are some unpredictable spikes, which is supply chain risk, while the slow-moving items lead to high cost and waste ingredients. There are some strategies to solve this problem. First, premium bundling. We can pair chocolate hazelnut and mocha together as an afternoon combo to boost our midday sales. Second, a cross-promotional push. This will involve targeted promotion to lift up our slower products. That's all from my presentation. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Afisha Ifiana Jilu, metric number 108686. Now, I will proceed with top product analysis. For this section, I use stack column chart in our Excel dashboard, which can be seen in the slides. This chart is used to track our product sales across all our 5 branches in Klang Valley. The stack column chart allowed us to see which ones of our product generates high revenue and which ones are the slow-moving menu item. From the chart, we can see that chocolate hazelnut and ice cream waffle are our 2 best-selling items. Chocolate hazelnut is customers' favorite, especially in Sri Hartamas and Subang Jaya, which generate revenue of Rp284 and Rp282 respectively. As for ice cream waffle, this menu item generates revenue of Rp239 in Sri Hartamas, with high sales in other branches like Bangsar and Montiara. On the other hand, we can also see the slow-selling products, which are tiramisu and matcha latte. Tiramisu consistently record low sales across all branches, especially in Bangsar, with revenue of only Rp56. Similarly, matcha latte also show slow sales, especially in Bukit Bintang and Bangsar, with gaining revenue of only Rp73 and Rp60 respectively. Based on these insights, we propose two key strategies. The first one is pricing strategy and the second one is promotional strategy. For the pricing strategy, we can slightly increase the price on our high demand items since customer willingness to pay is strong. We can also bundle items like matcha latte with a top seller item into a promotional combo. By doing this, we can clear our slow-moving inventory without having to lower the price. For promotional strategy, we must redirect our marketing budget towards a high engagement social media campaign. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook can be used to promote our products and our cafe. Not only that, we can also collaborate with famous local influencers to promote our top seller product so that it can reach a wider audience. That's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you for the previous presenter. Now my name is Sharintina LNTC91 and my metric number is 112279. So to analyze our business problem, I use three main features in Excel. The first one is the sum function. We use this to calculate our exact total revenue by automatically adding up every single transaction. It gives us the precise dollar amount our cafe makes. And tool number two is I use pivot table with a slicer and a pivot chart bar graph. For pivot table and a slicer, I use this to instantly organize thousands of customer transactions. So it helps us with the slicer too. The slicer works like a clickable filter button, which it allows me to tap on a specific category, which is I use branch for my slicer. So every branch will be in the slicer, and when you click it, it will shows the amount in the bar graph. So for the pivot chart, which is I use bar graph, the purpose is it is to turn those table numbers into a visual comparison. This helps to clearly shows that the height difference between cash and digital spending, for example. It makes it easy for the team to see the peak hour bottlenecks and exactly where we are losing money. Together, these tools prove that our strategies are backed by real data. Let's see on the customer base and revenue analysis. The delivery app users, they have high volume, which is 39 orders, but lower average spend. And the second one is loyal customers. Highest value and generates Rm 1,586 and 50 cents. Which payment preferences? Loyal customers prefer e-wallets while walk-ins rely on cash and debit cards. As you can see in the slides, I have think of three recommendations to fix the issue. The first one is delivery to the loyal customers. I think that we should print out maybe first visit coupon, for example, in every delivery bag so that the customers would have discount coming to the shop in person, and we can sign them up for our loyalty program. The second is digital-only fast lane, which means we will provide a fast lane counter exclusively for the customers who want to do e-payments, so that to smoothen down the operation. And then the third one is incentive walk-in customers, which means that we will give customers discount, maybe 5% off if they pay using e-wallets. This could minimize the manual error because when they're using cash, sometimes manual error could slow down the operation. All from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anisana Banapin. My matrix numbers is 108998. This slide shows the profit margin analysis from our dashboard. The clustered column chart compares revenue and profit between beverage and dessert. Beverage recorded the highest revenue of 3,033 ringgit and profit of 1,660 at 15 cents, where dessert generated 1,508 ringgit revenue and 829.40 cent profit. The profit margin was calculated using the formula profit divided by revenue multiplied by 100. Both categories achieved the same profit margins of 55%, which indicates consistent cost management. Based on this analysis, the company should maintain its current pricing strategy, continue promoting beverage products because they contribute the highest revenue, and increase dessert sales through bundle promotion while controlling operating costs. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Audrey Valencia Sundayana Alexander and my metric number is 109102. Based on our component analysis for demand forecasting, our data from May show a lot of ups and downs, where the lowest sales were just 2 units, but the highest peak reached 34 units. For June, the model forecasts steady daily sales between 10 to 15 units. However, we must be ready because sales can still jump up to 30 units on busy days or drop very low. To manage this, we propose 2 strategic actions. First, for our daily inventory buffer target, we must maintain a daily safety stock of 40 units for main items like meal, beverage powders, and dessert ingredients. This ensures we never run out of stock when sales suddenly spike. Second, for procurement scheduling, we recommend ordering ingredients twice a month, specifically on the 1st and 15th of June, since the baseline demand is steady. This adjustment keeps our ingredients fresh, minimize waste, and save holding costs. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Celestia Anapol and my metric number is 109283. So today I will present my part, which is managerial recommendation, which summarize the key finding from our dashboard and suggest action that management should take to improve cafe performance. First, based on the sales trend analysis, Subang Jaya recorded the highest sales. Therefore, the cafe should increase inventory and ensure sufficient staff during peak hours to meet customer demand and maximize sales. Next, the profit analysis shows that beverage generate higher profits than dessert. Management should focus on promoting beverages through seasonal promotion, bundle deals, or introducing new flavors to increase overall profitability. Last but not least, the customer analysis indicates that loyal customers contribute a significant portion of total sales. Therefore, the cafe should strengthen its loyalty program by offering rewards and exclusive benefits to encourage repeat visits and build long-term customer relationships. Overall, these recommendations are expected to increase revenue, improve profitability, strengthen customer retention, and support better managerial decision-making. That is all from me. Thank you.